Hello, I'm Chris. In this video, I'll show you how to move off smoothly in a manual car. Raising the clutch too soon can make the car move off in a jerky way, or even stall. Holding the clutch at the biting point for a couple of seconds as you move off can definitely help. And don't raise the clutch too suddenly. I'll show you again. Hold the biting point until you're faster than a walking speed, and then raise the clutch slowly. If you can, once you have the biting point, try resting the heel of your left foot on the floor. This will really help you control the clutch. Try not to let your foot hover in the air. But only rest your heel on the floor once you have the biting point, but not before. Or otherwise, as you dip and raise the clutch in traffic for example, your foot might slide up the pedal and you'll have less control. You might even end up having to wiggle your foot back down to gain control again. Not great. To avoid this, don't rest your heel on the floor when you fully press the clutch down. Only when you get the biting point. But not everyone is comfortable with resting their heel on the floor, so just do what works for you. It is possible in a modern car to move off without any gas, although again it could still stall, or move off in a jerky way, especially if it's an older car or one with a small engine. You'll also move off very slowly, which you might want. But if you're trying to move off quickly, like at a busy roundabout and you raise the clutch too fast without any gas, then the car will stall. When emerging onto a busy road, as long as it's safe, don't be afraid to give a little gas. It will be smoother, there's less chances of slowing someone down, and less risk of stalling. On this flat road, I look at the revs towards 1.5. More when moving off uphill. No gas needed downhill. But extra gas needed when you want to move off quickly, like at a busy roundabout or junction. You won't move off smoothly if you're in the wrong gear. The car will either be jerky or just stall. Watch this video next for tips on clutch control and how to drive a manual car in a city. Thanks a lot for watching, please like and subscribe, and bye for now.